A truck driver from suburban Oak Lawn's been charged with making a bomb threat. This incident shut down an interstate in South Carolina for hours. Yesterday afternoon, police pulled over a semi-truck on Interstate 85 in Greenville County because of a missing license plate. And police say during the stop, the driver, 28-year-old Ahmad Jamal Kamis Al-Hendi of Oak Lawn, indicated that there was an explosive device inside. Nothing was found. Al-Hendi was taken into custody, is facing multiple charges.
There is a pending immigration hold on Al-Hendi, so it's likely he will not be leaving the state anytime soon.
To that last point, Immigration and Customs Enforcement says Al-Hendi entered the U.S. in 2018. He has a hearing scheduled in August before an immigration judge.